While you were freaking out that AI was going to replace you, your colleagues figured out it could duplicate them and save them massive amounts of time. So instead of having this overarching fear of what's going on, you need to change your surroundings. You need to surround yourself with people who are coaching this stuff, who are embracing this stuff, who are saving themselves time. If you want more time with your significant other, your kids, your parents, whatever that is, now is the time to absolutely dial this in, embrace the AI movement, and it will change your life. If you're interested in learning more about what we offer within Carbon Collective, we have the #1 agent AI coach within North America in that community, giving his value away for absolutely free. Comment Carbon Collective launch below and I will get you that 2-week membership so you can see for yourself. But for now, let's talk about this. Let's attack this bear of AI and understand that with just a few simple adjustments, you could start getting hours back in your day within, 5 hours of watching this video and taking action. So first things first, if we want an actual item of value that is going to actually act like us, talk like us, and, portray that they are us, we need to make sure we can clone ourselves. So with our cell phones, we can utilize the voice to talk prompts, and we can hold down that button and we can have conversations with the AI. In fact, we don't have to hold it down anymore. You can just focus it. It will ask you questions. You can say, hey, I'm working on creating a clone of myself so that you can help me create written communication, response to emails, text messages, and so on. Also, you can help me create content and scripts and all of the things, and maybe even help me, coach me through scripting and role playing with, tough conversations. These are all ways that if you have a clone, you can create the scripts, you can create the emails, the text messages, everything. So we must start with having a lot of dynamic back and forth conversation. If you have a YouTube channel and you have a ton of content out there, you can also upload that so it can pick up your speech patterns, voice recognition, and so on. But again, on the mobile device, you can have those conversations and it will do those same things. The point is to create something that will be an umbrella within a project or, a GPT that can understand exactly how you communicate so that when you put something in, hey, I need you to respond to this email in my tone and clarity. Obviously it's a contentious situation, so I'd like to diffuse it. You could even say you could like to escalate it, whatever you want to do, and it will help utilize that knowledge base and send it out. And this works, across all things. I'm kind of using ChatGPT terms, but Gemini, Claude, all of the things, you can program these things into there and it will help understand and get to know who you are. ChatGPT is amazing because of the phone app, and you can talk to it and you can create all of those things. So that's the one I'm most familiar with. So I just want all the AI, geeks out there to understand that I'm just talking about ChatGPT, but you can likely do most of these things throughout all of the large language models. So now that even within a chat, it knows how you talk, it, does whatever. Now you can take practical applications of this model. There's no one better than Adam Gillespie at utilizing these practical applications within real estate. He will actually be the guest on my YouTube video that's dropping next Friday, so please set your calendars for that. And the topic will be the 5 best uses for your clone within AI in real estate in 2026. So we're gonna dive into that with him, but for now, smaller tasks, right? And make sure you're writing client follow-ups, drafting campaigns, drafting, social media content captions, responding to common DMs and emails and all of those things. You can start to build out these templates, right? You can build out your drip campaigns so they're not the terrible ones that are on every single CRM that's sold. They're actually sounding and acting like you. And so as you see, the more and more information you give this, the more and more knowledge you give the chat, the GPT, or the project file, which we can get into later, we can absolutely take our businesses to the next level with saving time because we're taking a lot less time responding to this email. because I know that I've had, upset clients or upset agents on the other side of this who are, and I'm just firing off an email, typing off an email, and then I read it and I'm like, ooh, that didn't sound very good. So then I delete it and start over. Well, here you can tell your clone exactly how you want to respond. And then you can read it and you can say, okay, let's change this, or I want to change this one thing, but it doesn't take you the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes of brain power and stress to type that email, because it already knows how you likely will respond and you can change it according to your mood. So we must always make sure that we are refining the information. We are looking at it, we're reading it and making sure that it's compliant and within our value stack and how we want to communicate. Because yes, this is, a robot, but it also does hallucinate, it does make mistakes, and we want to make sure that we are, fully sounding and operating in a business manner, and we are communicating the way that we would like to communicate. So yes, it saves time, but there is a little bit of review time. And the beauty is, the more you talk to it, the more it understands you, the more, the AI will help. The more you use it, the better it will understand exactly you and what you're doing, which is kind of a scary thought. But at this point, we might as well use it because it can save you so much time and energy. Like I said, texting, responding to emails, building campaigns, building captions in social media. There's absolutely ways to do this. You can also coach it what you don't want it to do. And so like the M dash, the double dash, the extra long dash that's coming through ChatGPT, you can say, hey, please eliminate all M dashes from this. I have that in my clones and still sometimes they sneak in there. So make sure that you have these rules built in and absolutely non-negotiables, or this is what I say, and it will start to think and put outputs just like you would. So this is where the duplication happens. If you are interested in more, check out Adam Gillespie AI over on YouTube, and he will absolutely give you every tutorial you could use. But for now, my job is just to help you understand the power and the time savings that this tool can have for you and your business. Then, once your clone's dialed in and you're responding to emails, you're responding to text messages, you're just building campaigns, well, maybe we're gonna start creating content. Maybe we're gonna take a step out of our comfort zone. Maybe we're gonna be able to create a blog or a monthly newsletter. All of these things are possible within your voice, within your clone. And if you're not doing it within a solo chat and you're doing it within a project or building a GPT, you can continue to build on this. You can continue to use this for scaling. So that's the beginning part, but we don't have to worry about the content. We don't have to worry about the blogs or, any of the other things that it can do for you until we get to that point. But once you get it dialed in and you love it and you saved maybe 15 to 20 minutes of your day just by, having something that's going to help you draft professional responses that are going to help you get what you would like to get in a negotiation or whatever, then we can take it to the next level. I know you're ready for that. When you're ready for that, make sure that you check out my video this week, dropping on Friday with Adam Gillespie, because we will give you more use cases for your clone to take your business to the next level. And if you like some of the stuff I say and you're saying, okay, I'm ready to go, make sure you check us out, Carbon Collective. Again, Adam is a coach within that community, and you get 2 weeks for absolutely free. If you comment Carbon Collective launch below, we'll absolutely get you into the community and you can start learning and see for yourself before you decide to make a major business decision and join the Carbon Collective community. For now, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.